Do not worry about tomorrow. Life lessons from the Sermon on the Mount. Today I want to share something very special with you. Let's reflect together on a powerful teaching we find in the Bible, in Matthew 6:34, which tells us, "Do not worry about tomorrow." This phrase, although brief, has a profound impact on our daily life. So join me on this journey of discovery and reflection. This teaching comes from the Sermon on the Mount, where Jesus shared many of his most revolutionary ideas. In this context, Jesus was teaching us to trust in God and to focus on the present, instead of excessively worrying about the future. Matthew 6:34 says, "Therefore do not worry about tomorrow, for tomorrow will worry about itself. Each day has enough trouble of its own." This verse teaches us about the importance of living in the present moment and trusting that our needs will be met without the need to excessively worry about what is to come. Let me tell you a personal experience. There was a time in my life where I constantly worried about the future, which led me to a state of anxiety and stress. But when I came across this verse, I began to understand the importance of living day by day. I learned to trust more and worry less, which brought an incredible peace to my life. So, how can we apply this teaching in our daily life? We can start by balancing planning for the future with living in the present. Practicing meditation, or simply taking a moment each day to be thankful for what we have, can be a great start to living more in the present. From a spiritual perspective, this verse speaks to us about faith and trust in God or a higher power. Many people have found peace and serenity in embracing this teaching, trusting that they are cared for and guided. I know that following this advice is not always easy, especially in our modern world, full of uncertainties and concerns. But I invite you to reflect on how this simple verse can transform the way we see life and our daily worries. To conclude, I want to summarize what we have shared today. We have explored the teaching of "do not worry about tomorrow," from its biblical context to its application in our daily life. We have seen how it can affect our perspective and bring peace to our day-to-day life. Now I invite you to reflect on how you can incorporate this message into your own lives. Have you had similar experiences? How do you handle your worries about the future? I would love to read your thoughts and experiences in the comments. Thank you for joining me on this journey of reflection. I hope this message has touched your heart as much as it has mine. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more content like this. Until next time, and remember, live today, trusting that tomorrow will bring what you need. Goodbye and blessings. I am Zoe, voice for We Are Positive Worldwide. Always remember that you are the most important person in this world. We love you very much. We are with you in every step. We value your presence. We are your cosmic family of light. We are your source of light and eternal love. We are your beacon of light on the path. Thank you, thank you, thank you.